In the 1970s, a food scientist named Howard Moskowitz discovered something that changed the history of human nutrition forever. He called it the bliss point. The bliss point is a precise mathematical formulation of sugar, salt, and fat. It is engineered to hit the absolute maximum level of pleasure your brain can experience without sending a signal to your stomach that you are full. Think about it. When you eat an apple, your brain receives complex signals. Fiber, water, and micronutrients tell your body, "Stop, we have had enough." But when you eat a modern potato chip, that system completely breaks down. Food companies spent billions running evolutionary hacks on your biology. They discovered that if they make the flavor fade away almost instantly on your tongue, a concept known as vanishing caloric density, your brain gets tricked. It thinks you didn't actually eat anything, keeping your appetite wide open. This is why "bet you can't eat just one" isn't just a marketing slogan. It is a biological reality written in a lab. Millions of people blame themselves for a lack of willpower, not realizing they are fighting against a chemical trap designed by the smartest neuroscientists on the planet. But finding the bliss point was only the first step. Food corporations didn't just want to make food taste good. They wanted to make it impossible to stop eating. To achieve this, they weaponized three main components: sugar, fat, and salt. When combined in precise, scientifically calculated ratios, these elements bypass the brain's natural fullness signals. Instead of telling your body, I am satisfied, they trigger a continuous dopamine loop. It's a carefully engineered formula designed for one single purpose: to maximize craveability and keep you coming back for more. But there is another dark secret behind modern food engineering. It's called vanishing caloric density. When a food item, like a potato chip, melts in your mouth quickly, it tricks your brain. The brain registers that the calories have disappeared, signaling that you are not actually full. This sensory illusion forces you to keep reaching into the bag, completely unaware that you are trapped in a biological loop of endless consumption. This brings us to the ultimate creation of the food industry: hyperpalatable foods. These are items engineered so perfectly that they bypass your body's natural defense mechanisms. In nature, foods are either high in fat, like nuts, or high in carbohydrates, like fruit. They are never both. Modern factories changed the rules. By forcing a 50-50 balance of fats and carbohydrates into a single product, they created a sensory overload that human evolution has never seen before. When you eat a donut or a slice of processed pizza, your brain lights up like a Christmas tree. It releases a massive surge of dopamine, completely overriding your satiety hormones. You aren't eating because you are hungry. You're eating because your brain is experiencing an artificial neurochemical high. The food industry didn't just find the bliss point, they weaponized it. They transformed eating from a necessity for survival into a commercialized addiction, leaving our health and biology behind in the name of profit. The next time you open a package and can't stop, remember, it's not a lack of willpower, it is biology by design.